Get the best Adobe Photoshop latest version. Adobe Photoshop for beginners. In this video, I will go through the new features in last October release of Photoshop 2021. First of all, I'm going to click on this link. So this is the latest version of Adobe Photoshop, which was released in last October 2021. Here you can try it for free for 3 days. After that, you have to pay or you can buy this app by using your credit card. In the latest version of Adobe Photoshop, the professional photography tools make it easy to do everyday edits or total image transformation across desktop and iPad. In this latest version, we can combine photos and text to create entirely new images. Here you can work with unlimited layers and masks. Those who have an iPad, you guys can start on your iPad and finish on your desktop. On this latest version, the lens blur feature now offers a more natural and realistic look when blurring an object in the foreground. This is the new Photoshop splash screen. It will use the same photo by Vanessa Rivera. Adobe Lightroom, Photoshop Express, and Photoshop Camera. These apps are a family of image organization software developed by Adobe Systems for Windows. Now, I will show you some popular Adobe Photoshop keyboard shortcuts. So here, you will find these default keyboard shortcuts. Click on this site. Here you can find these useful keyboard shortcuts that will help us to work faster. Especially if you prefer using the keyboard more than the mouse. Here, some of the shortcuts are Ctrl+N, which helps us to open new files. Then you can use Ctrl+C to copy the selected area and use Ctrl+V to paste it to any other document. We will use of all the shortcuts on our class. Here are some function keys for cut, copy and paste. Also show or hide brush panel, color panel, layers panel, and revert fill and feather selection. And these are select tools. Here shift key is used for tool switch, B is move tool, C is crop tool, and I is eyedropper tool etc. Shortcuts for Windows images. If you want to switch to previous document, press Shift plus Ctrl plus Tab. To fit the image in the window, double click on Hand tool. So these are all keyboard shortcuts. We will see elaborately and show how to use them in our classes. That's all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And yeah, we will start our first class from the next video. So stay tuned. If you enjoyed this video, I'd love to hear your feedback. I will see you guys in the next video.